Ciao amici, I'm Chef Leo, and today I want to talk to you about something really important. I get asked all the time, why do I use a scale and why do I use the metric system in all of my recipes? It's very simple. Number one, if you're planning to do this job right, you need a scale. Why? Because it's going to be consistent every single time. And then I prefer the metric system because the metric system is so much easier to train people with because it's an actual number instead of a fraction, just like imperial measurements. Now, if we talk about grams in the metric system, think of it this way. It's easy to tell somebody to weigh you out 1 kilo of flour, which is 1,000 grams, as compared to 2.2 pounds. And this is where the conversion becomes very simple. Now, if you don't have a scale, what do? It's very simple. Go on your favorite online store. They're so cheap. Go get yourself a digital scale and do yourself a favor on your iPhone, on your Android, go and get an app of a converter. A converter will do all of that work for you. I hope you learned something. Ciao, amici.